salsa chicken. It's chicken with 5 ingredients, and it's a recipe your whole family will adore with those wonderful Southwestern flavors. So, here's the ingredients. We have chicken tenders. This is non-fat sour cream, salsa, taco seasoning mix, and then after your chicken's done, you add grated reduced fat cheddar cheese and green onions. So let's get started. As I said, it's very easy, and this sauce really marinates the chicken and keeps it so tender. We're going to start with our non-fat sour cream, but you could use Greek yogurt or light sour cream. Just make it easy on yourself. And 2 cups of your favorite salsa. Did you know a half a cup of salsa is equal to 1 serving of vegetables? Chips and dips are tasting pretty good. So, and remember to find mild if it's a family-friendly recipe. And then taco seasoning mix. Here's an opportunity to reduce the sodium by using low sodium. And this is it. This is your sauce. Let's cream it together real well. I could smell. This is what you call shortcut Southwestern seasoning by using taco mix. Okay, we're just going to put it on there and bake it together. And you're going to put it in an oven at 350 for about 40-45 minutes. Check it until your chicken is tender. And then when it comes out of the oven, here's what you have, and you just sprinkle it with a little of your reduced fat cheddar cheese and some green onions. This is great served over yellow rice, and this is really a kid-friendly meal as well. So if you're in that cooking rut, salsa chicken, and only 5 other ingredients. I think you're going to like this recipe. See you in the kitchen.